video, we will be changing the air filter in this 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. Through the driver's side door, we can locate our hood release latch, and releasing the secondary safety latch, we can gain access to the engine bay. After gaining access to the engine bay, we want to look on the driver's side portion of the engine. Towards the front corner, there is a large black box. This is the air filter housing assembly. Inside of this big box has our air filter. The air filter housing is held on by 2 clamps. If we release each of those clamps, we can lift off the top of the air filter housing, revealing the air filter below. This will give us access to lift out our air filter. We will be replacing our old air filter with a new WIX 46213 filter. I always like to double check to make sure that my new filter that I purchased looks like the old filter. So we'll compare these two and make sure that everything looks good before we continue. Lifting off the cover to our air filter housing assembly, we can drop in our new air filter. We do want to make sure that the air filter gets seated correctly all the way around the outside. At the base of the air filter housing, there are 3 tabs. It is important that you seat the tabs correctly into the slots so that the air filter housing cover will fit properly and securely. We can then reconnect our hold down clamps.